Hi, it's Kira, the Conflict Coach, for the 2-Minute Conflict Coaching Soundbite. Today, in honor of Thanksgiving, we're talking about thankfulness, even in the face of conflict. See, often when we're in conflict with someone, we have a very narrow lens. We're focusing exclusively on what's going wrong. Now, that's because as part of our evolution as a species, when we had a threat or a perceived threat, we had a fight or flight response. We were very focused on just our mere survival. Nowadays, though, most of our conflicts are not about survival. They're really about how to thrive and how to find a better solution and a better state for ourselves and probably for those around us. But what do we do about the fact that our minds are going to hyper-focus on what's bad and what's going wrong? What can we do about that? Well, we can take a moment for something called appreciative inquiry. It's where we think about what's going well. What about the situation is really benefiting us? Or where could we be going with this in a positive direction? Or maybe focusing just on the other person and what that person does well. What are their talents? What do you appreciate about that person? By focusing on this appreciative inquiry, we broaden the lens. Instead of narrowly focusing on the conflict, we think bigger picture, and that allows for all types of possibilities to emerge in terms of how to resolve the situation. Please comment and share and like this video. I'll see you at the next 2-Minute Conflict Coaching Soundbite.